I'm going to be entertaining you with this song, Butterfly in My Beard. As you can see, I have a butterfly in my beard, not a real one, but I do have real ones here. Not right now, but I've actually got, I think, 9 chrysalises up in my kitchen in a cupboard of the swallowtail butterfly. This is the monarch butterfly. But back to the song, Butterfly in My Beard, right. In the second verse, I actually sing, they called me the bug man in the news one time. And this is why. I'm going to show you. You can see there the press cutting. And this is from the South Wales Echo, okay, which is a paper from Cardiff, South Wales. And it says, this is what it says. It says, catch the bug. Special world of insects for Steve. Bugman, Steve Andrews, loves coming eye to eye with the insect world. So there you are, you see, that they really did call me that. And you can see on my head a Madagascan hissing cockroach. Now, you may be wondering about that, but I used to keep a lot of creepy crawlies. I used to keep amphibians. I had fire-bellied toads and axolotls, and I had stick insects, and I had Madagascan hissing cockroaches. So when this guy came from the South Wales Echo, came up to my house to do like a report on me, he said, can you put one of those cockroaches on your head? So yeah, sure, because, you know, I like to, you know, collaborate with the photographer, because they're going to be like taking a picture of me, so they want a cockroach on my head it is. But then that feeds into my song, because my song is based on real events. So I sing, a cockroach on my head got plenty of views, so that's what that's about. But then, not only that, I've told you a bit about the song, but I've got to tell you what, in the last verse, what I mean by when I say, make a butterfly. Because in the last verse, I sing, make a butterfly and fly with me, say yeah. Now, say yeah, everybody knows what that means. Everybody can say yeah, no problem with that. But make a butterfly? Well, what does he mean by that? You know, does he mean we got to get some paper out or something and start, you know, making a model? No, I don't mean that. What I mean is something really simple that everybody can do, which is put your hands together like that, cross your thumbs like that to make the antennae, the feelers, and then flap your hands, your palms like this as the wings for the butterflies. This is how you make a butterfly. And now what I'm hoping is that, like, all of you out there can all put your hands together and make butterflies. So we can all make butterflies together, and we can all say yeah, you know. So let's do this song together. Make a butterfly. And it's in my book, The Magic of Butterflies and Moths. So here we go. I had a butterfly in my beard, oh yeah, oh yeah. I had a butterfly in my beard, oh yeah, oh yeah. I had a butterfly in my beard, it looked very strange, it looked very weird. I had a butterfly in my beard, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They called me the bug man in the news one time. They called me the bug man in the news one time. They called me the bug man in the news. A hissing cockroach on my head, it got plenty of views. They called me the bug man in the news one time. And now we're coming to the butterfly making verse. And you all know how to make butterflies now. And you can see Jeannie behind me is already making a butterfly. She's putting her hands together and crossing her thumbs and making a butterfly. And in this verse I also ask you to say yeah. Now that's really easy. Anybody can say yeah. But now we're going to do it. So put your hands together to make butterflies. And say yeah when I say yeah. And come on. Oh, make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Yeah. Make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Make a butterfly and fly with me. Go anywhere at all. Be really, really free. Make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Say yeah. Well, we're going to do it one more time, because you all know how to make butterflies now, and you already knew how to say yeah. But it's going to be like really good. It's going to be power to the people, because we've all got the power if we put our power together, and we all do things together, and we're all doing this song now, making butterflies together by putting our hands together and doing it. Well, I'm not, because I'm playing the song, but you get the meaning. You understand what I'm talking about. We're going to be making butterflies together, and we're going to be finishing the song with this butterfly making. So make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Say yeah. Make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Say yeah. Make a butterfly and fly with me. Go anywhere at all. Be really, really free. Make a butterfly and fly with me. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah.
And now you met a real live butterfly, 'cause I am.